This is a love reading for the Sun sign Aquarius from February to March. In this reading, I'm going to do a heart shape spread, where on my left are the cards for you, Aquarius, and on my right are the cards for your partner, your love interest if you're married, then your spouse. So let us see what is the guidance from Tarot. Now, please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not apply to all Aquarius, and whatever may apply will vary in intensity. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenges you bring? What is the strength or challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about this partner or the relationship in the future? What is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? What is the past you're coming from? And what is the past your partner is coming from? And this is the overall guidance from Tarot for the love reading. So, you both are very, very emotionally secure in this relationship. And there is just unspoken understanding the two of you seem to have with each other. So, this is a very beautiful, deep relationship that I'm seeing. And Aquarius, on a good day, you like to listen more than speak. And you feel very, very accepted by this partner. Also, some of you may have a bit of a complaint that your partner doesn't spend enough time with you, and he or she has way too many other interests or hobby, or maybe they love their work so much that your partner is more outdoors or with other activities than with you. But you're not complaining. As I said, this is a very emotionally secure relationship as I see it. Also, the two of you are very, very cautious by nature. So you don't really reveal your emotions and what is going on very easily. So maybe the two of you have spent a lot of time just understanding each other, or maybe the whole emotional connect is so strong that the two of you just know it intuitively what's going on. So this is a very beautiful emotional connect that I'm seeing between the two of you. But as a partner, you may be spending more time outdoors than being with Aquarius. What is the strength or challenges you bring? And what is the strength or challenges your partner brings? So, lot of times, Aquarius, you, even though you're right, even though you have best of ideas to put forward in the relationship, or maybe there is something that you want to suggest, you tend to still hold it back. So I'm seeing someone who just wants to be very, very sure, not really spoil something which is going good, or I'm seeing an energy of excessive caution with your speech to the point that you sometimes just agree with whole decision or idea purely because you don't want to spoil things, or you're afraid that maybe if you present a certain view, or maybe you want to do a thing in a certain way, you just don't want to take any chances. So some of you are going exceptionally cautious, and you also come from a very higher ground of understanding. So you don't want to necessarily be the one speaking and doing things in the relationship. You're more than happy if your partner wants to run the show and wants to be in the forefront. What is the strength or challenges your partner is bringing? Well, he or she is very, very loving as a person, and there is so much love and emotion they have that they seem to have done very well for themselves purely by a very nurturing energy. So, a lot of people like to be around this person. So, your partner may be very well socially accepted. He or she may have a lot of friends. And it's quite possible that you're dealing with a partner who's more socializing and outgoing than you are. So you may be someone who's more of a homebody, who likes to spend time, little bit more at home, but or doing your own thing, and your partner is more of a outgoing types, more with their friends and lot of other hobbies that they may have just cultivated over a period of time. So, very loving and nurturing energy. People are just attracted to this person. So, I'm saying very intrinsic to your partner is to look good, to dress up, and to be in that social scene. Yeah. So, very beautiful guidance. Out of the two of you, your partner may be more stylish, maybe the one who runs up more bills or expenses on dressing up or looking good. That's how it's looking. So, how do you see your partner, Aquarius, and how does your partner see you? So, sometimes you feel that your partner is not very reciprocative of your love, or he or she does not appreciate you enough with all that you have to offer. Now, that may not necessarily be the case, Aquarius, because I am seeing a partner who has a lot of love to give. It's just that your partner is too occupied. He or she has just so many things that they're doing that they may be doing this unintentionally. He or she may not be as much coming back to you or doing things, emotionally as much you have as an expectation purely because he or she is so occupied. So as a partner, you don't want to make everything else so important that Aquarius is feeling little bit neglected and left out. You want to receive all their love and maybe spend a lot of more time being with Aquarius as well. I'm just seeing that maybe while Aquarius is not complaining, I'm seeing a very emotionally balanced and secure person here, but you don't want to unnecessarily create some insecurity because over a period of time, it's, you see, Aquarius is saying that they have probably offered you love so many times or so many gestures that they have made to you and you have not received them. You see, these are three cups lying here, and again they are making some love offering, maybe again suggesting something, and looks like you're not interested. So it's just very human that how long can someone keep working with their love not being reciprocated just as much. So you want to be more receptive of their love. It's possible that you're deeply in love and you care a lot for Aquarius, but it's not coming across that way to Aquarius. So he or she is not yet complaining, but with if this goes on, any human would, anybody, would feel little bit neglected and not wanted in the relationship, and you want to take care of this energy because the two of you are very deep emotionally. You don't want to take this relationship for granted as a partner. So how do you see Aquarius as a partner? How do you see Aquarius? You see Aquarius as someone who's a very good friend, someone you can talk your heart to. You like, going out, eating out, and just having a good time with. So you have a very freewheeling energy and you like hanging out, talking about things with Aquarius. But Aquarius is feeling that you're not as much accepting of their love. So maybe Aquarius has a bit of a complaint. Maybe you're just too outgoing and socializing. You should cut down that a little and spend more time at home or with Aquarius, yeah, doing things together. Because you are feeling very good about Aquarius. You love all the time you spend with them. And you feel life is such a celebration being with Aquarius, going out, connecting, having so many friends together. So, what is the hope or fear, Aquarius, you have about this partner or the relationship? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship? So, some of you Aquarius are feeling very upset or frustrated that why is this relationship not moving fast enough? Why, the next level is not coming along soon enough, or why the two of you are not moving along or taking the relationship to the next level. So I'm seeing that you're feeling a lot of passion and love, but you're also feeling that this relationship is moving way too slowly And that is maybe also one of the complaint you have, is that maybe you're suggesting something to your partner and he or she is not yet making a decision on that, whatever that you may be suggesting. So I'm seeing a bit of a energy of frustration of someone feeling that things should move very fast, but just being caught up in little bit of a stalemate and slow energy. So some of you, about the future energy you feel is things should move forward faster, and then maybe next level or something else that you're looking forward to, maybe even a relocation that you're looking at, should happen very quickly. So right now you feel things are very very slow and your partner is not moving fast enough. Now, what is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship? Well, your partner feels you are the person, and they seem to have spent a lot of time to know and get to know and fall in love with a person like you. And your partner also feels that with due time, maybe it will take a lot of time, but with due time, this relationship will lead to a marriage. So you see, your partner feels that maybe this relationship needs more time to go by before a commitment can happen. And I'm seeing that, Aquarius, you are feeling frustrated why it's not moving fast enough. So one of you is a little bit too ahead in the relationship. So maybe, Aquarius, you should just check your expectations from this partner. Maybe you are a great team, the two of you are very good with each other, but then your partner feels it's just a phase where after this dies down, they will like to see how the relationship will move forward or how well the relationship will be. But some of you are very convinced that it should move fast enough. So you should just speak to each other and find out the expectations. I'm just saying that, Aquarius, you have slightly high expectations in the relationship and you're not enjoying as much being in the moment as your partner is. Your partner is totally in love. He or she is going out, they're being very lively, and they like whatever that they're doing, and he or she is very positive about the future also. So what is the past you are coming from, Aquarius, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So some of you spend a lot of time being alone and sad. It's quite possible everything went wrong for you somewhere in the past, and then you have regained a footing and ground, and you have started to make things work for you. So it's taken you a lot of time to get back together, feel love again and life again. So maybe that is why some of you feel that now things should move forward quickly, now that the two of you are in love. What is the past your partner is coming from? Well, he or she's had a very blessed life, and I'm seeing someone who was always loved and liked, someone who went to some great college, had a good job. So, overall, I'm seeing that they've had a life of almost bliss, and it seems to continue with you. And your partner is also someone very grounded. They're just surrounded with so much love that they're also able to accept and work with this love. So someone very balanced and moderate as a person. And I'm seeing from the past energy, they have always had a good life and they seem to be continuing with it. And your partner is also very happy that they have met you. So about the future also, your partner is very positive, but they don't want to take any decision soon enough. But they do feel, your partner does feel that maybe you are that person. Yeah. So, what is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading? There is a need to speak up. So, you see, this queen and a throne tells me that this relationship can be solidified, it can become something very rewarding. But then, this queen is also sometimes a little bit arrogant and does not speak. So, if the two of you want to make this relationship work, which I am seeing, Aquarius, you are in a hurry and you want this relationship to move fast enough, the guidance is just speak and make your expectations match. Because otherwise, one of you is going to feel very, very neglected and isolated and cornered, and you don't want to feel this energy at all. So overall, I see this relationship can be very rewarding, but there is a lot of expectations that need to be set and moderated, and one of you totally need to speak up. Yeah, if something is bothering you, just start to speak up, and then maybe things will improve a bit. So one of you is a little bit ahead in the relationship and the other one is totally in the moment enjoying yourself. So maybe bit of a work and talking that needs to happen, but overall I see a good relationship here. So this was your love reading for all of you Aquarius from February to March.